Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
How are you? It's my hope that you are fine. Welcome to today's lesson. I'm Teacher Samuel. I want to take you through an agriculture lesson on soil. Today I want us to look at soil particles. You know that soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface where plants grow. So soil is the layer that is found on top of the earth's surface where plants grow. We have three types of soil. We have from the previous classes you learned that we have clay soil, we have loam soil and sand soil. Today I want us to look at the size of soil particles because we know that soil is made up of soil particles. For us to investigate, we have to use a sieve, then the three types of soil, or the three samples of the three types of soils. So this is a sieve. We are going to start with this type of soil. This is clay soil. We want to look at the size of soil particles that are found in the soil. So once you pour a clay soil on a sieve, you realize that most of it is going to pour. Most of the clay soil is going to pour down. It's going to pour. This shows that clay soil has very small particles. Even from the touch, you know that it has very small particles. So clay soil is made up of very small particles. Here I have a loam soil, but let's first look at sand soil. This is sand soil. You can see even from the touch, you can feel that this is sand soil. When we pour sand soil on a sieve, most of it is going to remain on top. Most of the sand soil is going to remain on top. Even from the touch, you can realize that sand soil has very large particles. You realize that sand soil is made up of very large particles. So compared to clay soil, sand soil has very large particles. Clay soil has very small particles. Now this is a loam soil. You can see it is red soil. This is a loam soil. I have a sample of loam soil here. When you pour a loam soil on the sieve, it is not going to pass through so much. We know that loam soil has medium. You can see very small is not just passing through. We know that loam soil has medium particles. So the type of soil with the largest particles is sand soil. And even from the touch, even once you touch, you can feel that sand soil has very large particles. We touch sand soil to feel. We say we are feeling the soil. So this is called soil texture. And from soil texture is the smoothness or roughness of soil. So the type of soil with the very small particles has a very smooth texture. Even from the touch, you feel that it is very smooth. Even when you pour the soil on a sieve, you can see very much soil is passing through because it has very small particles. So soil, the type of soil depends on the size of particles, and we know that, and we've seen that sand soil has very large particles, so its texture it's very rough. We say it has a rough or a coarse texture. Loam soil has moderate particles. They are not large, they are not small, they are moderate. It has medium-sized particles, so its texture is not rough, it's not smooth. But clay soil has very small particles. We say it has fine particles, so it has a fine texture. Texture is the smoothness or roughness of soil. Thank you.